Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Mo ní ẹ máa yọ́nú sí mi, ẹni bá yọ́nú sí mi, ó ṣọ́jú ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run ọba, ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run ọba, ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run ọba òun lẹ ó máa rí. Àánú orí gbà, adé orí ọ̀kí. Yoruba will say, let's rejoice with those that are rejoicing, so that things of joy too will come to our home abroad. That is it. Yes, guys, as Kwam1 Wasiu Masha Ayinde Masha is celebrating a 50th years, 50 years on, not 58th birthday, 50 years on stage. Let's celebrate him. Let's rejoice with him. It's not something that worth celebrating. It's worth celebrating. So let's celebrate with him. So guys, go get your ticket. Fast. So go get your tickets because it's going to be a big celebration. 50 years. 50 good. No easy. 50 years on stage. So let's rejoice with him. Let's celebrate with him. So we are so happy for you. And as the date has been picked and the venue has been picked, so go get your ticket, okay? And let's celebrate. Anu moriba ade ori okay. Okay now.
Fifth on stage.